Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to deposit cash on Wise. Now this is actually fairly simple. All you have to do is go here to, first you need to go and create an account, right? So open an account here. Let's say we want to open a balance in, I don't know, let's say currency. We want to open a balance in New Zealand dollar. So we can click confirm. Now from confirm, we can click add, right? And we can add 100 New Zealand dollars, right? We can click continue. And right now, as you can see, what we'll need to do is we will need to select how we would like to pay, right? So let's say we want to pay with debit card. Here you will see the fee and you will see how much you're getting. So you're always getting the amount that you set, but it will be with the fee, right? So always understand that you will need to pay a little bit more, right? So we'll need to have $102 for this transaction to go through, right? So then just click continue to payment. After you click continue to payment, I will just exit out. You will see that you have New Zealand balance here and you will be able to convert that balance, right? Or to spend it if that is the only balance you have, right? So that's pretty much how to do it. And if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.